Today we're making jelly boba desserts using FS drinks from fsdrinks.com. Knox gelatin, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix that with cold water just to separate the gelatin. Give it a good Assam black tea flavor, and we're going to separate the crystal boba from the Assam black tea. We're going to use the boba for toppings later. The tea for 3 to 4 minutes. So once the tea becomes nice and hot, we're going to pour the gelatin in and dissolve it. Give that a good mix, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator until it becomes nice and firm. Once the gelatin becomes firm to your liking, we're going to start cubing it. We're going to spoon it into our serving cups, just like this. Top it off with some delicious whipped cream. I went with the 0% sugar option, but you can use any kind that you want. So do you remember the crystal bobas that we set aside? Now we're going to sprinkle it on top of the whipped cream, just like this. It's starting to come together. Drizzle some chocolate syrup onto that whipped cream, and of course, no dessert is complete without the cherry on top. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Check out fsdrinks.com and get 10% off your entire order.